these together. Yeah.
Mama, I have three. You wanna one, three?
So I ended up getting the Powerpuff Girls Game Start series, and these what you can pull. These are so cute. And then they have 3 secrets, which is a foam blossom, octopus bubbles, and a dinosaur buttercup. And I want this one. The octopus bubbles is so cute. But from this one, I ended up pulling the buttercup. This is the bunny buttercup. She's so cute. I want to put this on my bag. Look at her little glasses. I'm happy with my pull. So I got these paints from the Dollar Tree. It's got a green, like a sea green, sea foam green, like a butter yellow, a lavender, blue, pink, and green. Because I want to paint this. So there's this thing that's like a bikini box, but since I don't wear bikinis, I'm going to make this like my seashell box. I'm just going to put my name within seashells, I guess. I also bought this canvas because I want to paint something coastal themed, but also BTS themed. I just got these brushes. I also got these stickers from Hobby Lobby because I got this cup also from Hobby Lobby that I want to decorate, but I'm trying to see, will the stickers be, it's kind of the same color, but it's okay. I'm probably gonna put like BTS on it, I think, and then maybe my monogram. And then I got these papers. So I just got this glittery blue, glittery pink, and then baby blue, and then also a pink, like a light pink, because I want to make a name board. I want to do in, I think, RM, and then maybe a Chambin. I don't know yet, but those are my little crafts that I have for right now. This is the inspo I'm going for, and then I just already copied RM's name, and then I'm just going to glue it to the pink board and then put the glitter on top. So this is how I look with the name cut out. It's not perfect, but it's pretty. I just did it on the glitter, and now I'm going to transfer it to the light pink paper. Now I finished on the paper. I'm going to cut it into like the shape I want and then glue it onto the pink paper. So now I have it glued onto this paper, and I'm just going to cut like a slightly bigger outline of the same thing, and then do the same thing on the same glitter paper I used for the name. So this is the finishing touches. I just have to add some lace, which it should be coming in this week. And then I might do like the little bow on the side, but so far I love it. It's so cute.
I know you.